Folks, I want you to listen close. In the year 638, Jerusalem, the city where our Lord walked, where he wept, where he bled, fell into Muslim hands. And for centuries, Christendom mourned in silence. The heart of the faith, the cradle of the cross, was lost. But God don't leave his people hopeless. By 1095, Pope Urban II stood up and said, "Enough is enough." He called the nations together, not for empire, not for gold, but to reclaim the holy ground of salvation. And in 1099, after a long and brutal march, the First Crusade reached the gates of Jerusalem. They fought, they bled, they wept, and then, by fire and sword, they took it back. Now don't get it twisted. It was violent, it was flawed, it was human. But in that moment, the Christian world felt restored, not just because a city was taken, but because the symbol of Christ's legacy was no longer in enemy hands. Jerusalem was more than stone. It was the memory of Christ. And for one brief, shining moment, the memory lived again.
May God richly bless you for watching. If this stirred your spirit, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us keep Christ alive in the hearts of many through truth, history, and faith. Stand with us. Keep the fire burning.